Good morning, traders and investors. My name is Roger Scott, and I'm the head trader for WealthPress. Today is December 31st, 2020. It's the last day of the year. And what do? I always talk about market action. I always talk about what's going on with the markets. But today, instead of looking at the market action, and it's largely fragmented because it's a holiday, truly. Most people are out of town doing their thing, enjoying New Year's, getting ready to party tonight, traveling, whatnot. So I want to give you guys a good preview of two small cap stocks that I believe will be big winners in 2021. I figured I'll give you something actionable today because it's the last day of the year. And what's the point of giving you market action when markets are so fragmented and so far apart? Now, we do have a big report coming out today in about 8 minutes. It's the jobless claim. And here's what you need to know. The number can be anywhere from 800 to 935,000, but I'm going to tell you something very important. If this number is above the consensus, it's bad. It's bad. That means unemployment is moving higher. That means COVID is having an impact on the jobless claims. And if that's the case, then it's having a massive impact on consumer discretionary and retail spending. Because if people can't work, they can't spend money, and the economy can't grow. It's real simple. I'm not going to make this complicated. So please pay attention for this number. And again, it's going to come out in about 7 minutes. And if we're still alive here, I'll go through it in real time. But again, I'd really like to see this number break down because if it's above 900,000 or close to 900,000, it's not good. It weakens the odds of having a New Year's rally. Now, I want to talk about small cap stocks today, and I got two stocks for you. Now, one of the stocks is ticker symbol SOL, Renesola. Now, this is a small cap stock. Now, since I'm looking at two small caps, and here's why. Since Friday, before the election day, three major indices have gained 13% at least. But the small cap one, the Russell 2000, gained 24%. 24%. I told you it was going to happen over a 7-week stretch. Now, fun fact for you. 52 small cap stocks have doubled or better in the last 3 months. Doubled. 52. That's 3% of the entire small cap universe. And I believe small caps will continue to gain momentum first quarter. And I've been talking about it for the last 3 months, that small caps is where the action is. Matter of fact, one of the best areas to be for small caps is the solar stocks. I think it's going to be a very good sector for many reasons, and I'll talk about it right now. The solar portfolio ETF TAN has rallied 33% since October 30th. My birthday is October 29th. This sucker has given us, let's see, November, December, in 2 months, 33%. Let me show you the ticker symbol of that one. That's TAN, 33%. And here is a stock, Renesolo, Sol, S-O-L. And let me tell you why I think solar will be very good. There's a good chance that Biden's going to rejoin the Paris Climate Accord, number one. Number two, Biden reportedly has already a $2 trillion clean energy plan that he's going to announce. And I've been hearing about this nonstop. Lastly, the $900 billion stimulus plan includes not only the $600 payment, but a $35.2 billion allocated to a new energy initiative. So I think solar energy is going to be very good for 2021. And this is a Chinese. I'm very much focused on Chinese stocks. I'm looking at industries that are doing well in America, but the companies are in China because everything that's happening, that's moving in the right direction in the US, like cloud computers, like solar energy, is moving that much better in China because they're coming out of this pandemic faster than we are. And I could tell that based on the exports, not based on what they're saying. Now, this is Seoul manufactures solar wafers in People's Republic of China. The company's solar wafers are sold to wafers. It's wafers, not wafers. Wafers are sold to both Chinese and internationally. Solar power continues to grow, and after more than a century, may finally be ready for widespread use, which is what I've been saying. They have significant presence. This company has significant presence in Europe and significant exposure to more aggressive government policies and subsidies. Their 1-year return, you got to see this. Look at this, 723% plus. So the company is doing something very, very, very right. And 3-year return, 5-year return. The bottom line is, and I like the earnings growth, 120%. The bottom line is, if you're looking for something overseas that does something that's in a segment or an industry that's growing, combining China with solar is not the worst idea in the world. Evergreen cars in China like NIO and Plug, well, here you have solar power in China. I'm telling you, emerging markets, solar energy should be good for the next few quarters. Now, the next asset I have for you is one we've talked about. And this is more of a picks and shovel type of a play. It's GrowGeneration Corp. Now, I believe marijuana is going to be taking off again in 2021. I think the political climate is a lot more ripe for it now than it was in the last 4 years. I believe that a lot of companies are going to become active because of legalities in different states. I think, generally speaking, things are moving in the right direction. But what I love about this company the best, and this is what I've said the most, if the industry grows, they grow because they don't sell pot, they don't sell weed, they don't sell marijuana. They provide equipment to help growers grow. So there's a lot more logic there. They're a retailer of cannabis cultivation supplies. So lights, grow lamps. It's a classic pick and shovel play on state legalization. The more popular marijuana gets, federal level, state level, local level, the more demand will be for this company. So this company isn't riding on one particular law or one, like, in other words, it's not a pot company in Arizona. And if Arizona isn't allowing pot, this company's dead. It's not like that. This company provides supplies for all companies globally. I don't mean not everybody uses GrowGenerations, but the point is, the more it becomes popular, and it's going to become popular this year, the more money GrowGenerations will make because, again, it's a retailer of cannabis cultivation. So different companies, different states, different governments, they all need supplies to grow it. And GrowGeneration supplies that. So it doesn't have as big of an impact on regulatory, and it has more of an impact based on the overall theme of the industry. And again, what I love about this stock, if you look at the profile, look at the 1-year return, look at the 3-year return. This company is going nuts. I mean, it's going nuts. And again, it's a Russell 2000 stock. Ticker symbol is GRWG. And if you look at the Russell 2000, you will see, let me show you this. Let me give you the profile. 1-year return, 18.72%. Small caps, folks, small caps. I've been talking about this nonstop. Small caps, small caps, small caps, small caps. They are grossly outperforming every other index except the NASDAQ 100. And that's hardcore tech stocks. All right, so that is what I have for you this week. Again, the ticker symbol is GRWG for GrowGeneration. And the other symbol is Sol. Rena Sol is the name of the company. And I believe these are good plays. Now, before I let you go, I've got something important for you, and I want you to pay very, very, very close attention. But before, let's check to see if the numbers came out. Let's see here. Nope, not yet. Not yet. Let's see. Not yet. Well, let me tell you what I've got in store for you, and then hopefully these numbers will be out by the time I'm done. If in the past 12 months, if the last 12 months were not kind to your portfolio, folks, I get it. And if you're looking to wipe the slate clean in 2021, then I've got some really, really genuinely bona fide good news for you. Market expert, and this guy is a hardcore hedge fund insider. Market expert James West and I, we've teamed up together to give you the number one stock pick heading into New Year. Absolutely free. Everything you need to know. This is better than the Russell 2000. Now, considering the fact that James and I have delivered a total of 554 winning trades to our readers this year, 554, I think you'll want to hear what we have to say. It's really good stuff. It's really actionable. It's not a lot of puffery. You're going to walk away with more knowledge than you started with. You do want to learn this. You'll want to hear what we have to say, no doubt. This is really good stuff. It'll position you for 2021, wipe the slate clean, and give you an opportunity to earn while you learn. I love that. Learn while you earn while you learn. Click the button below to claim the number one stock for 2021. Do it now, and let's see if this number's out. Aha, the number's out. Oh, the number's good, 787. That's good. This is a good number. We're below the moving average. We're below 800,000. I like what I'm seeing. This is going to send us off in a good direction for New Year's. And again, check out what James West and I have on the plate. We've got 554 trades right in 2020. We've got the number one stock for 2021. You don't want to miss this. We're going to guide you to the right direction, just like I do here every morning. And I hope you guys have the best New Year's ever and make a gazillion dollars. All right? Bye. And give me some feedback. Wish me New Year's. I'm wishing all of you a happiest, healthiest New Year's. Post some comments here. Bye, everyone. Have a great 2021.